Alright, get another unboxing for you. It's more Harbor Freight stuff. I think I made 3 orders over the past month or so. They've just been sitting around here at the shop. I haven't opened them up, so I don't even remember quite what I got, but we're gonna find out. Like I said, I'm not a mechanic. I'm just using this stuff, mainly working on my own vehicles or equipment or whatever. I'm a woodworker by trade, so I'm fine with buying the somewhat cheaper stuff for my mechanics work. I'd love to buy all snap-on, but if I waited till I could afford to buy every snap-on tool, I'd probably never end up with it. My thoughts are I'll just buy this Harbor Freight stuff, and if I break it, I'll end up replacing it with snap-on then. So, giving it a shot for now. All sorts of it. First thing, they give you a new sale flyer. Like I said, I've had this box sitting around for at least a month, so I'm sure none of this is even on sale anymore. Got some Pittsburgh pliers, 11 inches. I don't remember what I paid for them, but they were pretty cheap. 5-piece S Type Wrench. These are metric. Another set. These are SAE. These go 3/8 to 3/4. I don't know if it skips any or not. And this one is 10 to 19. And it doesn't look like that one skips any, so I don't know what the hell I'll use these for, but you can't go wrong. I'm sure they were pretty cheap. 11-piece long handle wrench set. These are SAE. Same thing, these are metric. These go 10 millimeter to 26 millimeter. These are 3/8 to 1 inch. Yeah, I've got some equipment, skid steer, tractor, etc. So I like to have a little bit more leverage on it when I'm working on stuff like that, but these would be just fine, I guess. I've heard that the size of them is actually a little bit off, so I'm not expecting too much out of these, but again, for what I paid for them, whatever. Offset Box Wrenches. These ones are metric. Again, I got the other set, SAE. These go 6 millimeters to 22 millimeters. I'm sure it skips somewhere. And this one's 1/4 inch up to 13, or up to 7/8 actually. So again, those are pretty cheap. Throw them in the box. They feel pretty chintzy, but I guess that'll be alright. Made in India. Lastly, a couple 6-inch C-clamps. These are normally pretty good from Harbor Freight. I don't think you can really screw up a clamp, but I guess I'd be surprised. I've got a couple 8-inch ones, but I figure I'll get some 6ers as well. So that's everything that I got. Offset box end wrenches. Some S wrenches, long handle wrenches, a set of pliers, and 2 C-clamps. I don't remember what I paid for all this, but it was less than $150 for the whole deal. So I guess you can't go wrong at that price. Follow up on that last little video. I didn't realize it, but these box end wrenches, I'm missing one. Wasn't in the box or nothing. That must have come out when they were shipping it, or before they were shipping it. Looks like this whole thing's cut. Who knows? Maybe it was sitting on the store shelf and someone offered one. So, whatever. For the price you pay, I guess that's what you get.